Guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to do that how to count the total number of rows into the database. Which database? Firebase database. Okay, so how many number of rows are inserted into the Firebase? Okay, so that we are going to count in this using PHP, right? So guys, now there are not total number of two number of rows into this database. So guys, I'm just going to count that variable. Okay, so let's get back guys to the coding part at the index page. So as simple, there is a simple tag over here, how to retrieve and fetch the heading. So I'm going to paste it over here only, total. Let's call one a tag, simple a tag. I'm just going to give hash and use this class and tell button info margin right 3, and let's tell text white total number and display the total number. Okay, so for that I will start the PHP and end the PHP. So now first we have to set the referral. Okay, that means contact form. So to read the contact form you have to include your database connection. So guys, let's call the include function. Okay, so inside include function I'm going to call the directory of my database data dbconfig. So includes folder / dbconfig.php. Now let us create a variable called ref and call the table name which we have created in your database contact / and then create a variable called total row number. Okay, so whatever is equal to, and then give your first database connection. So database connection in the sense you are going to dbconfig and checking over there. So guys, we have the total database. Copy this and then give the database. Okay, and get the get reference function. Okay, so this reference function will execute this table, and this is you can get from over here, from this real time. We are getting the total number of rows, so you can just count with it, or else you can get a snapshot and then use this function. Where is it? Let's find it out. Retrieve data. So while see here, get reference, and you can use number of children. So you can just return the number of child properties of this snapshot. Okay, using snapshot. So snapshot we will get that, and okay, so let us get the referral and get the snapshot function or the values. The snapshot and values, you have to read the documentation, then you will understand what is snapshot and get value. Okay, so there are little difference in this, where what you have to use, that you have to understand. Okay, so after the snapshot I am getting the number of children's. Number of children means these IDs auto generated IDs. Okay, so this is a contact table, so this table children's are, these are the children's. Okay, so we are counting this number of children using this function num children. Okay, so simple, and let us get back and paste that num children and save it. Let's echo this. So I'm going to echo it over here. PHP open, PHP close, echo $total row, save, and let us get back and execute this. Okay, so once executed you will find the total number 2. Okay, so guys, let's make this float it to left side, I mean right side. Let it float right. save. Okay, so let's make this margin left, so we can just make it that side, little gap. Okay, so guys, we have found that total number, it's 2 inserted. So if you want to see the third total number, you can just insert one dummy data. So dummy at gmail.com 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so let's insert this. And see here, 3 number of rows and total number of 3 it is showing. So guys, this is how we count the total number of rows in Firebase database using PHP. So guys, we have completed that, how to count the table data row. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe.